The Argentine 1891 Mauser rifle and carbine have a unique way of holding on the handguard. The handguards have slots at the front and rear for a copper wire. With it disassembled, you can see that the wire is wrapped around the barrel and twisted together on the bottom. The stock is inlet under the barrel channel for the twisted wire. I'll redo the wire on my carbine here. The correct wire size is 20 gauge, or approximately 0.032 inches. You can find this in craft stores or online. I'll start by cutting an extra long piece of wire, then give it a slight bend in the middle. I'll fit it into the slot and give either end a tug downwards, then slightly across. I'm making sure that the wire is fully seated in the slot. You can use a thin screwdriver blade to push it down if it's stuck. Then it's a matter of twisting together the excess wire under the barrel. You won't be able to twist it very tightly by hand. Just focus on twisting both wires together, not one wire around the other. Here you can see that it's still a bit loose. What I'll do now is grab the twisted wire with pliers, then twist it another turn to make it tight. That got rid of any extra slack. Then I'll clip off the excess and squeeze the ends to make sure they're tight enough to fit within the stock. I'll take off a bit more since the recesses are only around 1/4 inch deep. Then I'll do the other wire in the same manner. Here's a close-up of the twisted wires. All that's left is to make sure it fits within the stock. Thin copper wire isn't the most durable way of attaching a handguard, but it is easy enough to redo at home if one were to break or work its way loose. Thanks for watching, and follow for more gunsmithing quick tips.